Good day. So today we are going to work on a 1999 Toyota Tercel, and the filler pipe has a leak in it. So when we add fuel, there's pinholes in here and she leaks down through. We're going to open this up. Now right here is your gas cover release from inside. There's a 14 mil nut on there. Thread that off, get that out of the way. Here, and here, the 4 Phillips, I believe they're number 2. Take those out. Take your gas cap off. Pull this right out. For the time being, we don't want our gas to evaporate. So we'll put that on. Okay, so down here we're going to remove this bolt, which secures the pipe, and these 2 hose clamps should both be 8 mil. All right, that looks like 14 itself. Okay, so we got our hose clamps off to the top there. To get your 2 lines out of here, ideally you want to twist your rubber. As you can see, mine ain't going nowhere. Okay, so just so you know, this is metal on metal and we're dealing with gas, so you do not want to create sparks. So don't beat on the pipe, all that jazzy nonsense. Just put it in and give her a little wiggle. You just want to get that rubber free. There. See? And then you can get her out, no problem. There. So, just rotate this one, pull that off. So, you'll yank this down. There. So here's the one that come off it. As you can see, right here is where the leak was. It gets rust off. See? There's a hole. Yeah, there's my hole. Rusted right on through. So install's reverse. Drive your pipe up through there. And then before you secure it, we're gonna plug our lines in, make sure our hose clamps are on, and I'll go get a new one of these.